let's solve this question on function. A function f is defined by f such that x map to x is equal to 2 minus 1, where x is a real number. If f of x minus 1 minus 7 is equal to 0, find the value of x. To solve this question, we were told that f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 1. Now, if the function f of x minus 1 minus 7 is equal to 0, it means that f of x minus 1 is equal to what? 7, when the constant number minus 7 are moved to the right hand side. So here, since we know that our f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 1, then we substitute x minus 1 to be x. So we now have f of x minus 1 to be, now we have 2 into, now anywhere we see x, we put x minus 1 all squared minus 1 is equal to what? 7. So by the time we expand this, we will now have 2 into x minus 1 times x minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 7. So at this point, we open up the bracket. So we have 2 into x times x is x squared, x times minus 1, minus x, minus x, we have minus plus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 7. So here we have 2. Now 2 times x will give us 2x. Now minus x is minus 2x. 2 times minus 2x is minus 4x. 2 times 1 is what? Is 2. Then minus 1 is equal to 7. So 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 minus 1 is 1. If I move this 7 to the left hand side, it will now be minus 7. So 1 minus 7 will give me minus 6. And I have minus 6 is equals to what? 0. So you can see that it is a quadratic equation. So here, let's factorize. So to factorize it, 2 times 6 or minus 6 is minus 12. So we are looking for two numbers such that when you multiply those two numbers, it will give you minus 12. When you add the numbers, it will give you minus 4. So those numbers are minus 6 and 2, because minus 6 times 2 will give me minus 12. Minus 6 plus 2 will give me minus 4. So it means that we'll split the two factors in between this quadratic expression. So we have 2x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So at this point, you factorize. So to factorize this, what is common here? You will discover that you have 2x. 2x is common, so you have 2x as the highest factor. So 2x divided 2x squared will be x minus here we have 3. Then if you factorize this, what is common? We have 2 to be common, so we have x minus 3 equal to 0. So here 2x plus what? 2, and we have x minus 3 is equal to 0. So at this point, we have 2x now plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to what? 0. So 2x is equal to minus 2. So dividing both sides by 2, x now will now be minus 1, or our x is equals to 3.